guys, Fab-all and 10 toes down. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go in the kitchen and see what we have, what we can make for dinner, what kind of ingredients we have, and what we can do with what we have. So I know I have some pasta, and so we're gonna make a pasta dish. We know that, but we're gonna look at our ingredients and see what we can make to go with it, and see how it turns out. And thanks for new subscribers, Fab-all and 10 toes down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Meet me in the kitchen. Love you all. Okay, so let's see what we're going to start out with. We got our ground beef. Okay, we have some shredded cheddar cheese, and we have a little Mexican blend. Okay, we have a little spinach, some tomatoes. Okay. We have some red onion, a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomato paste, have some chicken broth powder, and a biscuits. Okay, and we have some rotini pasta. Okay, so that's a nice start. We'll just add a few seasonings and let's get started. Let's chop. So we brought our water to a boil with a little salted water, and we just threw our pasta in. Okay, so we're just gonna make a quick spinach salad with our tomatoes and a little purple or red onion, however you say. We're just going to put some Italian dressing on our salad. Going to add some red pepper flakes. And a little Italian seasoning. Okay, so our pasta is ready. We just drained it, and we're going to just add a little butter to it, and we're going to make our sauce. Add a little oil to our pan, and we're going to put our meat in, and we're going to brown it. So we're just going to add our peppers and our onions. I added some salt and pepper, some black pepper, some onion powder and garlic powder, and a little bit of basil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Okay, so while our meat continues to cook, we have 2 cups of water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch to it to thicken it, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our beef broth powder. I mean, sorry, our chicken broth powder. Okay, we're gonna add it to our meat and let it thicken. I'm just gonna add a little more onion powder and pepper and a little complete seasoning. Okay, I'm adding 2 cups of our Mexican blend cheese. Just gonna add our sauce to our pasta. Okay, I mixed it up and we're just gonna top it with our cheddar cheese. Bake it at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna melt a stick of butter, and I minced 1 clove of garlic, and we're gonna just let that melt. And we're just gonna add some parsley. Take our can of biscuits and we're gonna cut them. There's some we're gonna cut into smaller pieces, and some we're just cutting into half, and some into 4s. We're just gonna add them to our glass pie dish, which I sprayed with some cooking spray. And then we're just going to pour our melted butter and garlic over our biscuits. And then we're just going to top with a little extra parsley for the pretty boo-boo. Okay, and so here's our pasta. It's all done. And here are our biscuits, all browned. Okay, so here's our quick throw together meal. What we came up with. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Fab-all and 10 toes down. Thanks for watching. Love you all.